All right, this question says, this series sums to what function on its interval of convergence? So if we're told something sums to a function, that means we know something about this type of series. So types of series whose sums we know. It's like sums we know include geometric. Okay, we have our formula. I'll just jot it down. It's a over 1 minus r, right? That's like let me say s equals that. But you get the idea. We know a formula for the sum of an infinite geometric. We also know like our Maclaurin. So for example, like e to the x is 1 plus x squared plus over 2 factorial, etc. So like e to the 4. So like, this a series that looks like this. Oops. And a series that looks like this, like like 10 over n factorial, 10 to the n rather, over n factorial. So like that equals e to the 10, because if you write out those terms, you would get 1 plus 10 squared over 2 factorial, etc. In any case, the point is we must know something about this. So if you look at it, you can just kind of detect it's going to be a geometric. So I'm going to note that this is a geometric. Okay, and if we know it's a geometric, we just need to know what its first term is, and we need to know what its common ratio is, and then we can apply our formula. So let's write out the first few terms. Okay, so when n is a 0, we get 1. When n is a 1, we get x cubed minus 2 squared divided by 4 to the 1, etc. I'm only going to write the first two because since the first term is a 1, that makes the common ratio obvious. The common ratio is obviously the second term, is obviously the when n equals 1 here. So this is r. Okay, this is r. And this is a in our formula. So this should sum to our first term divided by 1 minus the common ratio. So it's 1 over 1 minus the expression x cubed minus 2 squared divided by 4. That's not an answer choice we see. However, if we clean it up a little bit, I bet you will recognize it. So for example, we could times the top and the bottom by 4. Top and bottom of this fraction by 4. And when we do that, we get 4 over 4 minus the quantity x cubed minus 2 squared. And again, I'm still not quite seeing my answer choice, so perhaps I clean up the bottom a little bit. So this is 4 over 4 minus, so if I expand this, right, so this is x to the 6th minus 4x cubed plus 4. And then distributing, I think, causes the 4's to cancel. So I get 4 over, looking at how signs kind of shift around, 4x cubed minus x to the 6th. And that is answer choice E.